What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Thanks a million for clicking on the video. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff. Just give my thoughts and opinions of what's going on in the supercar community on YouTube. On today's episode, we'll be covering DDE, TJ Hunt, and Triple F Connection, and a few others as well. Also, guys, if you want, it'd be pretty fucking sweet to smash the subscribe button. Even better, smash the like button for that shitty YouTube algorithm. Just help the channel grow, give it a chance, and do comment below, guys, because I do plan on bringing up your comments every Sunday. And do check out my video from yesterday. I just gave like my top 5 YouTuber cars I like so far 2021, and just comment on it and see if you agree with the list below, because nobody's really commented on it much. So please do go check out that video. It'll come up here as well. Also, guys, if you want to hit me up on my Instagram, do send me on some stuff. If you want to DM me or come on for a podcast or anything like that, please do hit me up on my Instagram. That would be much appreciated if you give me a follow as well. And yeah, we'll just jump into today's video. So we're going to kick it off with DDE. Their latest video is, lo and behold, they've sold another supercar, but it's one that I really wasn't too pushed about. It looks like Dave has sold the Nissan GTR R35, but it's the 1500 horsepower one to their friend Barney. I'm pretty sure he's going to take it off them. That thing is just a track beast, or like, you know, for quarter mile, and it, you know, you need it on E85 to actually see the proper power out of it. It is an absolute monster of a thing. I really didn't, you know, I think they just got it for the sake of getting it. I think what DDE have done here is they knew that with them being stuck in Canada, it was just about keeping content going, and they didn't go too expensive on the cars. They went down a bit of a JDM route to keep the interest going, and now they're getting rid of the cars that probably won't interest people anymore when they go back down to LA. And they're talking about, you know, saving the manuals, you know, buying like a 599 manual GTO and the Ferrari F40. You know, I mean, look, if they do, that'd be great, and if they modify the hell out of it, even better. But look, the GTR's gone, didn't really bother me. I thought, correct me if I'm wrong, somebody please, but did he say at the start that they were going to address one of the Lamborghinis getting sold, or did I miss something? Because I thought they were going to say one of the Lamborghinis was sold and which one it was, but it looks like it was just the R35 GTR. So we didn't find out which Lamborghini was sold, so I'm not too sure. But if they're on about talking about buying these manuals, like the F430 gated manual and all these different cars, yeah, I mean, obviously they're going to have to get rid of most of the JDM cars. So it'll be interesting to see what ones they end up buying. If they get the Ferrari F40, that would be absolutely sick. That is the only car I've ever driven in my whole entire life that is a supercar, and they are an absolute beast of a thing. They're crazy. So let me know below, guys, in the comments what you think of letting the R35 go. Do you want them to keep it, or are you glad it's being sold? Next up is going to be TJ Hunt. TJ basically has come out with this video he did today, just literally 20 minutes ago, and the one before it. He was talking about maybe getting a GT3 RS in violet purple and selling his Mercedes 4x4, and was asking people what he should do. Look, the 4x4 was cool to have it when he first bought it. I really liked it at the start. You know, it's a big fluorescent yellow, and it was cool to have it in the channel. But you know, I would like him to sell it and get the GT3 RS. That will be actually the slowest car in his fleet if he ends up buying it, and he would make money off it as well by selling it. So he did make a video today saying he's going to go camping with the 4x4, so he's not too sure if he's going to sell it and get the GT3 RS yet. But I want to hear from you below in the comments. Do you want him to keep on to the 4x4, or would you rather see him get the GT3 RS? It doesn't bother me either way if he does sell it or not, but if I had to pick, I would want him to get the GT3 RS. That is just me. But look, we'll see what decision he comes out with. I just want to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Next up is going to be we're going to cover Triple F Connection. So Triple F Connection basically have made their latest video of them doing their charity for basically Make-A-Wish Foundation for kids. and they said it was a huge success. Basically, Savage Garage showed up there. I know Will Motivation was there. I'm surprised he wasn't in the video. And some of the cars there were absolutely epic. They had way bigger turnout than they expected. And then just the cars in lineup were unreal. Like the Ford GT that they have, the blue, the Miami Blue, is one of my favorite Ford GTs in the world. The Regera was there, the F40, the P1, Savage Garage P1. Just the cars that were there. It was probably one of the best car shows I've seen in a while. We would never have anything like this in Ireland. Fuck no, that would never happen. Like it's just epic that you're so jealous you guys in the States would have some sort of those cars probably wherever you live. Me, I have none. You know, hopefully I plan 1 or 2 vlogs this summer to try and get you some content, but where I am, there is no supercars or even fucking sports cars where I live. But yeah, great video by Triple F Connection. They've just been killing it, and just check it out, guys, and link in the description below. Some of the best cars in the world were there, just jaw-dropping, and yeah, highly recommend go and check it out. Next up is going to be Evan Shanks. So Evan Shanks has finally gotten his Mercedes GTS wrapped. Was not expecting this color, and glad he did do it in this color, but it came out like I suppose like a charcoal greyish kind of thing. It's hard to explain, but it looks mean as fuck. I really like the way he's modded this. These aren't the exact, he's on stock wheels at the moment, but he is planning on going a GP3 route, I think with a wider body. So he is getting, you know, bigger wheels put on it. At the moment it looks gorgeous. I really do like it. They are some car, I've always had a soft spot for them, because I don't know, so something about the shape of them, and even the GT has gone down in price, you know, crazy, like cheap, I think, at the moment. I'm presuming they're going to bottom out at this stage and probably just stay there around the 60,000 mark. But yeah, let me know what you think of the colour below, guys. Did you like this colour that he went, or did you want him to go more kind of, I mean, a brighter colour, or is this a colour you would go with? I like it. It really does suit the car. Evan, you know, has been having an unbelievable fucking amount of problems with his garage that he got built. The contractors have now blocked him. He's now going down the lawyer route. His shop keeps getting flooded. He had to buy a cleaner, industrial cleaner, to keep the floors clean. I feel really bad for him, because imagine waking up after a downpour and your whole fucking shed is flooded. Like, it's insane. I feel really bad for him, but glad he got the, I think it's dipped. I don't think it's wrapped. I think it's liquid wrapped. I'm pretty sure it is dipped. But yeah, fair juice to him. Really like the colour. Let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. And last up on the list is going to be 888, basically 888 Media. They are an Irish channel up in Dublin. Guys, I highly recommend if you want to see some Irish car content from my American viewers. Link in the description below. They have recently just finished a wide body 911 Rocket Bunny kit. They are now starting a new project. They are starting a Toyota Sora. These cars were pretty big back in the day. These JDM cars, they are pretty sick looking. I know I think this one is getting a BN Sports kit on it. I've seen a few of them back in the Max Power days in the car shows here around Ireland. Cannot wait to see what these guys do. They have some insane projects. If they are watching, I did tag them in a video, and they watched it and said I can come up and check out their cars sometime. So I will definitely plan to go up there some weekend, do a vlog and check out the cars they have up there, because it's been so long since I've been around JDM cars and modified cars. I need to go up and check these guys out. So guys, this build is going to be absolutely insane. It's going to be epic. I highly recommend keep an eye out for these guys. They also do competitions. They have a AE86 Trino Sprinter. They offer a competition that you can win for €20 to enter. And the thing is mint. They got it from Japan. It is in unbelievable condition. I'm thinking of entering. It is such a sick car. These things go for crazy money now. They go for like 20 grand up. They're very, very expensive cars to buy, because they're so rare and hard to get now in this kind of condition. But if you're into the AE86 guys, even check out the video. They give you a really nice insight into it and even drive it. They are just, I used to never really like them, but this one I really like. I think this is one of my favorite AE86s I've seen in all my lifetime. So yeah guys, definitely go check out 888, a good Irish car channel for modifying, highly recommended, link in the description below. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you a million again if you watched to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and do make sure you check out my other videos coming up at the end here. Please do fucking smash the subscribe button, and all my regular viewers and commenters, you know who you are, you know what to do. Please do smash that like button, and please do comment below. You're fucking legends for supporting the channel. I can't do it without you guys. So until the next episode guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.